Good morning. Let's invite everybody. Hey, Darren. Personally, I just took sales, that's why I started a little later, but still in it. So, hopefully you guys took sales as well. Very, very good opportunity here. Lilith 5-minute. Up against resistance. Doji candle, confirmation. Right there. There you go. Oh, wait a second, I need to plug in the cable a little better. Yeah, I've been working on the PC. So, let's see. There we go, we have the new hourly candle open for Frankfurt. Frankfurt is open right now. Now the reason why I started selling at first, I'm expecting it to go back one more time. But the reason why I started selling first is because of this resistance right here. This resistance is pretty strong. And once I saw this candle tapping into it, I was like, yeah, what's the probability a price is going to close above? It's pretty small, right? So, give me one moment. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Green, black, now look, yeah, I know. That's 30-minute close rejecting, 15 only close without a bottom wick, which is rather nasty. Overall, it should do the work. Let's see. But how was you guys' weekend? Mine was pretty good. Things to do. Weekend? Bro, we already at Monday. What am I talking about? Yeah, let's see. The only bummer is that 15-minute candle closure, which is actually really bad. But let's see what this 5 can do. 5 close without a top wick as well, so. Could you analyze GJ, bro? Yes, we'll do in a minute. 5 stop GJ overnight, 149, 045. Okay. Okay, I hope it work out for you. Let's take a look. Yeah, probably by limit, you mean. I mean, if it worked out, well done to you. Could be good. Again, tapping into that resistance. Let's see if we're going to break it or not. There's a chance that we're going to fill the 4-hour wick up to the left. Yeah, maybe I'm a little too soon. Have you completed the call analysis? Not yet. Yeah, the 1 hour obviously did close bullish, but still tapping against that resistance, so let's see. Gold wise, we're tapping against that daily level right here. So we're filling part of the daily wick right now, but I don't know how far we're gonna go. We might fill it to the top, or we might go to 78 and then sell off. Go a little higher before actually selling down. That could also happen. So let's see. Let's see. But also, if you look on the lower time frames, this could also already be a zone that we're going to sell off from. See these rejection wicks right here? Tap into that wick and do the same thing like this candle did. Best would be waiting for 86. 86 is the best level to sell away from, for sure. Yeah, let's see if we can break this 1 hour resistance. We have the 15-minute closing in around 6 minutes. London session has not opened yet. Sideways movement. Not always. Buy stop if the market's going up and turning down. No, I don't use buy stops. Only if I like it's really tight. Where's this session? On which pair is this? Gold. You look in the background, it's gold. So yeah, personally I'm just waiting. Maybe this zone or this zone is gonna be the stop zone. One of those two. Depends, let's see. That's the daily and 4 hour wick fill, so it makes sense to fill that. Makes sense to go up towards that level, but I think tomorrow that would be big move gold. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Look, what will be your plan on this upcoming FOMC? Don't know yet. It's gonna be tonight, so let's see. Not that. I'm not gonna be looking at that much. I'm more focused on the now. What's gonna happen now, rather than what's gonna happen tonight. It's still a little bit far away. Like New York session, I understand that you're gonna be looking at that, but for me, I'm Gucci. I don't really that big of a problem in price there. Can you tell us how you have marked those on GJ? Yeah, we'll do in a minute. Slowly coming down, gold again. Took a 5-minute fake up. But I don't know if it can continue. I'm gonna go in it from a short. Let's see. TO, yes sir. You know it. But GJ, I didn't do anything on GG yet, so let's remove everything. Yeah, price trending down slowly, like lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. Build lower low, lower high. Did create some sort of support here on the weekly. Look on the daily, it's actually equal lows. We did close below those lows, I mean. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. We did have a break of structure on GJ. And the reason why we had a break of structure is we had this price coming down, right? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, higher time frame, lower high, lower low. And on the lower time frame, we had created this zone over here, right? Passed down, retested, continued back up, retest, buys over here, continuation. Now maybe wait for price to pull out, come back here, and then buy up, and then start selling back down again, because sells would still be in my book. Oh my days. 50k from a ball, look, are you mad? I said it though, so I gotta do it, that's the problem. Spot Forex, because it moves pretty fast and directly. It's not the fastest, but it's very, you know, just good to trade. You know, on the D30, US30 and stuff, sometimes like dodgy stuff happen. Like the same stuff on gold though, but a little bit worse in my opinion. D30 and US30 are a little bit too fast again, in my opinion. But there's a lot of trading channels that also stream those pairs. So hello from Africa, brother. Yo, Africa. Good morning. Good morning. $15 did close bullish, but it did close below that resistance, which was crucial. Talking about that. So if you look here in the 15-minute time frame, we had this resistance, 1 hour time frame resistance, 30-minute time frame resistance. We had on the 5-minute. My entry point could have had the same position if you listened. somewhere a little bit higher. It's like somewhere. It's pretty much just below this lines right here. Right. And then yeah, price coming back up. I was in some good profit though. Price came back up. 10 pips. Go into a little bit of drawdown. And then we had this 5-minute fake out. Fake out on the 5-minute right here. So let's see if this continues. If this 5-minute is strong enough to continue moving down. Looking to go to like 75, 50 first target. Around that. Should be good. Yeah, I think that's doable. Morning from South Africa. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Go slowly. And the 5-minute decided to close it all bottom wick. Nice. Ooh, that's a push right there. Mm. That 5-minute bottom wick just fucked up the whole plan. Crazy 1-minute candle. Yeah, let's see. Looks like it does want to break up that 1-hour resistance, but as long as the 30-minute closes below it, got no business above it. I really do see gold breaking this resistance. I'm 50-50 on it. Boom. Okay. recently wait for break of structure and only enter retest. It's working so far. Yes, that's the best. It's the best. Good morning, Jay. Yeah, and that 5 minute just finessed me. It was so good. Hmm. Time buys from 1750.60. Ooh, that's a very good position. Yeah, so closing partials. The 4 hour. Yeah, it still has a big wick to fill in the 4. No, it tapped 80. Hmm. Let's see how this candle's gonna close. Very important. Hmm. So pushing up slowly. Nice. We changed up. I'm still looking for sells, but don't know how yet. Especially with this 30-15 minute candle. Doesn't look that nice. got 2 minutes left for this candle to close, so let's see. There we go, we're nearly through now to that 4-hour wick fill. 5 seconds left. Ten seconds left. I got a feeling that my push further on till London. London start dropping. I mean, made that bottom wick, so it doesn't make sense for it to going down now. Might retest 79. Waiting for price to hit 70.80 so I can buy it up. Buy it. Okay. Damn. Look. Come on, Goldie. Hmm. Like a little retest. Sorry, I'm a bit quiet right now, but I'm just concentrated. What's going on? Yeah, it doesn't look that good. Look at rejection. Damn. Five minutes. See what this does. Fuck are you doing, gold? This needs to break. This needs to break 79.33. So then we break that 5-minute low. Mm. Come on. Having a hard time. On the 5, we just need to break this. And then a little bit further because it's not there actually yet. A little bit more. Oh, my spread is massive right now. Fuck. Why? I was about to say I'm about to smack you. Was that 15-minute kind of opening? Like, is that retest? Hopefully one more time, like full on down. Go, 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 go. No. Do, do, do. This is a very tricky. Now it needs to keep on going. If it doesn't keep on going, I'm gonna smack it. Tell me. If you look in a 1 minute time frame, broke that structure, so this should be the retest, but go retest that low. Man, I'm fully concentrated right now, I'm telling you. A laser focus. But for some reason, like, my spread is bad today, but that's probably because of FOMC. Go, Goldie, go, 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 go. No. Why? There we go. A little bit more. A little bit this, a little bit that. Come on. Just want a little bit more. Don't keep dying on my screen, please. Sometimes you have to be focused. What's going on with the price? I don't like it when shit's slow. It makes me fucking annoyed. Yeah, but I dropped pretty big lot at the top. I think I've never been in so much profit before. In one position. But this is acting very, very annoying. This 5 minute closed bullish, which is whack. Yeah, that was a perfect retest on the 5 minute of that 78 level. That's the problem. That's the problem right there. Hmm. I don't trust this shit. Damn. If it starts going now, I would be like, what the fuck? These wicks don't look healthy. No, nothing looks healthy right now in this pair. Everything is closing. No bottom wick, no top wicks for the past couple minutes. So that's why you still. Oh yeah, I am. I made profit on this one. I dropped a pretty big lot on the top, so it was good. My highest entry was 1780.1. But the way this is moving right now, what I see on the 5 minute, right, which is really setting me off in this trade, is that this was the breakout right here. High. Came back. Retest. It should continue now back towards the top right here. So it's really setting me off. But on one side, I'm still thinking that this might close below for London. I'm not sure. I was when it went to here, I was in like mad profit. Because the lot size, like the two lot sizes dropped here, dropped around 78.60. That's pretty much where it tapped into. It tapped into break even, but the two lot sizes here were only like together combined. They're only like 1/4 of what I dropped here. So I was like, when it came here again, I was like, what the hell? What's your TP level on gold? Well, my TP should have been like 75 or 73. But the way it's moving right now, I really don't like it, especially with this 5-minute closing like that. You could also say like, hey, but we should continue down because of this, right? But this also counts, right? And this 1 hour candle also counts, this closure. So 30-minute is closing bearish, but it's really delicate. So yeah, for me, this was a break of structure right here, and that's why I held on. So it pretty much meant that I'd sell right here, pretty much like right here, and then one sell right here. The average was somewhere in between this area, right? I think it was like somewhere here or something, but that doesn't matter. Once I saw this coming down and this candle rejected, right? You had this candle rejection, and we had this candle breaking the low right here and continue. I expected this price to continue moving on towards here, right? And then come back up and then do the retest. Now, it didn't decide to do that. It decided to just do the retest right away from here. Now, I am not sure if this is a correct retest. This could also be like some dodgy shit, right? So, it tapped all the way into here. Just this zone is just fucking around with me. That's it. As London wicks up and then goes down 4 hours, no bottom wick for me. Yeah, that's the same. That's why I was so into sells, because I was feeling like this is gonna get pushed up from this line over here, and it's just gonna get it faked out because it's gonna go down. Like, I wouldn't. Now again, I would have been in good profit, but I don't mind. It is what it is. Decisions you make. You see price just having a very hard time. It's just some dodgy shit. And when you think, when it's uncomfortable, then you just need to get up. When you see things at least happening against you, because this is, for me, this is weaker than this. This is stronger for me right now. But if it does work out and it does decide to go down, then I know I'll be right next time, right? Then I know that at these levels I don't have to worry that much. The reason why I'm not that happy and why I say it's not that strong is this candle right here should have had a bigger body for it to be more valid for me, right? Because this could also be on a different liquidity provider. This could also be a bearish candle, right? And that means that if it's a bearish candle, that there's absolutely no break of structure, right? Then the only break of structure is over here, and the retest over here, right? So with those candles, I most of the time want to see just a good candle, and then that candle being broken, right, by the open of the next candle that's over here, right? Because then, I'll show you a little bit better. Let's get a block on here. Go. Let's say, right, we had this we're gonna imitate the bullish move up, right? We had this bullish candle, no top wick, no top wick. That's the reason why I started selling over here at the top. Got a shit entry because price just kind of very bad, very bad spread. That's the reason why I started selling there. Now you had that one bearish candle engulfment, right? Which was actually a very nice candle. Oh, take it though. You had that bearish candle engulfment with a wick down, right? This also had a wick down on green candle. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it is what it is. I mean, it's a risk you're taking, right? It's the risk you're taking. It's going now. That's okay. You know, it's London Open right now, so this candle could have also been the candle going to the upside. But it is what it is. It is what it is. If I had more comfortability or maybe a lower lot size, I would have held on. There you go, that's first target. This candle, I wanted this candle to do this, but this candle did. And didn't do that. Like, it started to just fuck around, right? So, but what's going on for me now and why I got less, less confident in the trade is because, first of all, this candle's going now without the top wick. This is all 1 minute crazy structure, right? Man. God damn it. I knew it. But you make a decision and you need to stand behind that decision, right? So I decided to get out because I didn't feel comfortable anymore. That's so Gucci. Yeah, this candle making that huge ass wake up and then this wake down. Now, for the people that are really asking, like, what do you want that candle to be looking like then? Well, I pretty much wanted this candle to look like this, right? And when the candle looked like this, I wanted the next candle to look like this, right? How this candle is overall nice, but this candle should have closed below this, right? Fuck's sake. Oh, well, it is what it is. I wanted that candle to close below this area, then I would have been like, hey, yeah, this is break structure, right? But then this candle decided to do. I expected a pullback, like I expected a pullback. It's like I wasn't expecting anything to happen, but once this candle decided to close stronger bullish, it still didn't close above this zone, right? Which is good. Maybe I could have closed partial positions instead of full position. Oh my god. Oh shit. And this candle closed, yeah. I should have waited for this candle to close. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but I should have waited for this candle to close because this candle was showing that this was confirmed, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but facts. You learn every day, right? You learn every day. If I held this position, this would have probably been one of the biggest wins I have ever had. I was in pretty big. But that's maybe what made me uncomfortable as well. Just have to look on what's going on, right? What's going on. What I also could have done is said like, hey, when this position opens, I said between these highs, you could have also like, hey, when it breaks these highs, I'm out. This just decided to dump. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Mad. Where are all the buyers at? People be buying at 80. I heard so many people saying buys 80, bruv. Oh, I should have known. Should have known. The reason why I should have known is also this. Should have known. That was dumb. It's all good. It's all good. Probably going to 73 zone, making everybody think to sell, and then up to 88 for zone for FMC. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Man. So close, but so far away. The fuck? I'm gonna ask, I'm gonna meet AJ, say what he says to say to me. AJ, see if Max is also in sales. Max, are you in sales or not?
No, I mean nothing.
Ooh, okay, why not?
Well, I was watching the DAX
Ooh,
and the US 30.
that's a nice pullback.
Oh, now I've missed it. I've got to go.
No. That's so good. Yeah, should have held on a little longer. Metro, yeah, for sure. But you also gotta see, like, hey, if you're already been in good amount of profit and you're still running profit and you see things not looking nicely, you also gotta, you know, make sure to clear bags sometimes. I know, yeah, of course, still in blues, but not happy in blues. Well, happy, I'm still humble, sure. But knowing myself personal, been done better. Oh shit, there's some buyers right now. There's hella thick drawdown. But you still got a chance. Still got a chance. 1 hour doesn't have a top wick yet. Oh man, why? We can do it. But I'm proud of myself for dropping that lot size. That's one thing though. Proud of myself for dropping that. That's all I'm saying. It was very, very good. Best session ever. Got in at 1779.84. Gabriel, legend. Legend. Yeah, sorry I was a little bit. The reason, because I was just concentrated. Very concentrated on what's going on. So. Yeah, let's see. This 1 hour needs to make a top wick. So for the people that are in sells and have like good amount of profit, if you've been listening, because I've been calling out sells for the entire morning already. Sell, 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 sell. If you didn't get any sales yet, I don't know what you're doing. If you got out, I understand. But make sure to take some profit. Crypto Mine 255 or 251 live viewers and only 71 likes. Come on, guys, you know the vibe. Those are rookie numbers. Facts. Hit that like button. Definitely, no problem. Yeah, you improvise every day, and on gold everything goes very fast. So if you have like a fun fact, didn't even close anything where we're down there. I wasn't pretty good. Profit like somewhere here. Yeah, 13 plus. Pretty good. Now it went what? 30. Do you think this 4 hour might flip? Yeah, it doesn't have a bottom wick, but I said 1 hour doesn't have a top wick. 4 hour is stronger though. But I'm gonna laugh so hard if this flips, because then it's faking out, and if you have an entry on the top, you're Gucci. You're Gucci. Which has also been pretty good is that we haven't crashed yet, so that's good. We do tap that off for a moment, but we haven't crashed yet. Only my right screen is doing some dodgy shit, like mid on the trade just turns black. And then goes back into normal mode again, and then black, and a normal black, and a normal. Oh man. Bro, if I held this position, I'm pussy. So I'm gonna say that's what AJ used to say to me. I'm already doing good numbers, so that's good. I knew the most important thing is that you know what's going on, right? You know what's going on, you know what's happening, you know what price is doing. You learn every day on how price is moving, and see the move happening after on. You're like, hey, next time I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna drop the same fucking lot size and he'll hold it to the bottom. You know? So you learn every day. What? 80% psychology, 20% coffee. Oh shit, yeah, 80% is psychologically the most important thing. I mean, you see it with Ricky as well, right? Man is confident as fuck. You know? He's confident. He just went from like 20 lots, 40 lots to 50 lots, and bang on to 100 lots. And it's the only way you can do that is just by having confidence in what's going on, what you're doing, how long you've been doing it, experience. Like, it's not about that number anymore for him. It's not about that. It's just about the trade, what's going on, right? The number is not even, it's see 100 sending there, and for him it's like nothing. So, but 300 pips in AU. Yeah, well done. But yeah, guys. About trading. Yo, hello. I'm an algorithm. Oh shit. Alan is in the chat. Funny, funny man. Yeah, but big up to myself for taking it. That's the most important. You know what's going on. You know where price. You know where price is going. You know how things are working out. It's gonna make you more confident next time, right? Especially every time you trade a new lot size, it's always gonna be like, isn't that a little bit sketchy? And especially on gold, because remember, 10 pips on gold is I take my lot size based on 10 pips, right? And especially on gold, 10 pips is second work. Like I was 13 pips up with that big lot size, but I didn't really do much, right? But 10-second work is 10 pips. Like for real, if you look here on gold, how it dropped now, right? See this. If you go to the 1 minute, this is 3 minutes, right? This is 3 minutes, and this is what, 20? Oh, this is 13. I expected it to be more. I'm sorry. But anyways, let's say like what, from here to here, 1 2 3 4 candles is 15. If there's 20 minutes, I mean, fucking I can even count, fam. What the fuck you doing? 26 pips already, so it goes very fast, especially with this candle as well. It's also like 20 pips, right? If you look back in, like a little bit back more, like sometimes price just moves very fast and it can be very scary. So like dropping, I would be more comfortable dropping even a larger lot size on GJ than on gold, because I know GJ moves slow, and it doesn't like the numbers you see. It's just instantly, like the moment it goes back by a pip, is like boom, different. But yeah, that's okay. Okay. But here, yeah, that was the fake out. But yeah, that's right. So, I am probably gonna end this stream. It was a pretty good session. Please, guys, don't overtrade and don't over risk. There's no reason for you to do that. If you took profit on the sales, well done to you. Hopefully, for some people that are still buying up there, be careful, please. You have a chance to go back, flip up that 1 hour candle, make a top wick, but it could also dump from here towards 73, and I don't know if you want to be in like a 70 pip drawn up. So even lower maybe, yeah, even lower maybe. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We don't even have 100 likes yet. What are those numbers? Those are absolute rookie numbers. Especially subscribe, because this month, I don't know if we're gonna hit it this month. Subscription have been pretty slow, but we only got like 170 subscribers left of 15,000. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel, make sure you do, because we do this live every single day. Now today was a little bit different than normal. I was more quiet than normal because I was so focused. If you just listen to me, I was calling out sales the entire time already. So if you took sales, well done to you. Now you might have a chance for that 1 hour to flip and fill for like 50% of the wick, I think. But yeah, guys, thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you, and bye bye. I'm waiting for your mentorship. Yeah, community. People want to know about the community, and that. People want to know. People want to know about what? But yeah, probably for the people that are still in here, because already like 50, 60 people left. I'm gonna open it for one group a little earlier, and there's only probably gonna be around 10 people in it. 10 people are gonna be able to get in. And that's gonna just be the first group for the first people that come in. So if you want to be part of that, make sure to slide in the DMs, and I'll try and save you a spot. 10 to 15 people. The first open, and then it's going to be closed. I don't know for how long, so you have to see. If you want to get it, slide in the DMs. It's not open yet. I do not do any community yet, but very, very soon it's going to open up. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later on. Maybe I'll come on New York for a quick analysis, and then I'll be gone as well, because it doesn't make sense to stay behind the charts. You gotta understand, don't be behind the charts the entire time, otherwise shit's gonna go down.